Hey guys, hope you all are having a lovely day. Today I am going to share my current favorite snacks with you. So let's start. First we have kurkure. I know it's quite common, but I like them because I can make kurkure chaat out of it, which turned out to be great. Next we have choco filled biscuit. They taste heavenly and they are the best if you are craving for some chocolate. So do try them out. Next we have these chips. I don't know what it's called. You can find them in your local store and they are my favorite movie time snacks. And also you can make them in air fryer, so yeah, it's somehow healthy. Moving on. Next we have Little Hearts. I know we all love Little Hearts. I have so many childhood memories with Little Hearts. And it's quite tough to find Little Hearts nowadays in stores. This is my last packet. I hope I find them soon. Next we have Aloo Bhujia. You can see I am almost done with this one. That's why we have another one. And hear me out. I love this combo of Aloo Bhujia with Little Hearts. I know I am weird, so moving on. Next we have Oreo. I like Oreo because I can make so many things out of it, like Oreo shake, Oreo ice cream, and my favorite Oreo cake. I am obsessed with Oreo cake right now. I have made this so many times and they are the best cakes I ever made. Next we have these peanut biscuits. I have found them in my local bakery. They are the best biscuit I ever taste, which does not contain chocolate. Next we have vanilla ice cream. They are the best dessert. You can make so many combinations with this, like vanilla ice cream with chocolate syrup, with crushed Oreo, and with this brownies. And also when we are on it, I also love this brownie cake. And as you can see, I have a good amount of stock of this. So yeah. And last but not the least, we have Maggi. I have tried so many recipes with this. This is the best snack of all time. This is the best 3 a.m. snack, the best midnight snack. I can literally have Maggi any time of the day. So as you can clearly see how much obsessed I am with Maggi. So let's ignore that fact. So yes, this is all for this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment down below what video you want to see next. Bye.